Getting disqualified from a Freecash survey usually does not mean your account has a problem. It usually means the survey provider decided you were not the right match based on your answers or the quota for your demographic filled before you finished. By the end of this video, you'll know why Freecash surveys disqualify users, what you can do to reduce it, and when it's worth contacting support. The first thing to understand is that Freecash does not create most surveys. They come from third-party survey companies that set their own qualification rules. Before you begin, they compare your profile with the audience they're looking for. If your answers don't match or enough people have already qualified, you'll be removed from the survey. Start by checking your profile inside Freecash. Make sure your age, country, gender, employment status, and other profile details are accurate and up to date. Survey providers compare those details with your responses, and inconsistent information can increase the chances of disqualification. Next, answer every screening question honestly. Changing answers just to qualify often creates conflicting data across different surveys. Many survey providers automatically flag inconsistent responses, which can lead to repeated disqualifications or fewer survey invitations. If you're being removed from almost every survey, close the Freecash app, reopen it, and refresh the survey wall. You can also sign out and back into your account. Sometimes expired survey listings remain visible for a short time even after the available spots have been filled. Using a stable internet connection also helps. If your connection drops during the screening process, the survey provider may end the session without awarding credit. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or location-changing app, disable it before starting surveys. Many providers verify your location, and mismatched network information can prevent you from qualifying. If only one survey provider keeps disqualifying you, try a different survey wall instead of repeatedly opening the same offers. Different providers target different audiences, so your qualification rate can vary. If you complete a large portion of a survey before being removed and never receive any reward, take screenshots of the survey name and completion page if possible. Then contact Freecash support with the details so they can review whether the survey provider reported your progress correctly. To sum it up, survey disqualifications are usually normal. Keeping your profile accurate improves your chances, and using honest, consistent answers is the best long-term strategy. Try a different survey if one keeps rejecting you, and contact support if you believe you completed a survey without receiving credit. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Freecash guides for more quick fixes and tips.